Hey guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. Price analysis on Bitcoin and some altcoins today. We'll take a look at BTC, ETH, potentially Metis, Elrond, and what else shall we look at? I don't know, we'll have a look at something else, but there's plenty of assets we can take a look at. I've not done any requests for this video, but what I'll do is after this video, I'll put out a tweet on my Twitter and do some requests. And even if not, if you've got some requests you want me to take a look at, drop them in the comments below. But taking a look at Bitcoin here, and yeah, we had a lovely wedge here, what we broke out of, pushed up, broke out of this big level here, which was my main point of cut. Where am I gone? 2 seconds. I'm here. There I am. We broke out of that wedge, and we come to this level of resistance, which I thought, Jesus Christ, are we going to break through it or not? We broke through it and pushed up, and you can see we're sat around this level now, around 22,800, and it's a region where the price is getting held back a little bit. I mean, if you just put the horizontal ray on there, you can see it was a level of support around here, a level of resistance, and we're pretty much sat on that level of resistance now, aren't we? We're either waiting for rejection to the downside, which will bring us back down towards this region around 21k, or if we break through, then you've got to look at this region here around 25k, and then we've got this big level up here where we bounced off when we had that big Tesla dump, and that was up there at around 26k. So two scenarios here, up or down, and if we come down, then we are going to test $21,000. And beyond that, I mean, if you look at this entire move here in terms of Fibonacci from the bottom of a move all the way to the top, we can tend to do a 38% retracement. That would pull us a little bit lower in that level of support, but it could be a wick down. You've got to also look at this 50% fib and this 618 fib. Personally, I don't think it's going to happen yet because everybody's waiting for that, aren't they? Everybody's waiting for, look, we've had a big move up, we are now waiting for a pullback before I allocate my funds. What if we don't get that opportunity? And that happened in previous bear markets. People were waiting for pullbacks like this, but the prices continued going up. And like I said, bear market rallies, sometimes you can set your targets higher than expected, and most people are thinking that's it, right? We've hit the level of resistance, we're maintaining this price, we're either going to go sideways or we're going to dump. Nobody's really considering upward movement. And look at this region around here where we had some liquidity, 30k. Look at this region around here when we had some nice support at 40k. I'm not going to say it's going to up to 40k, but you just never know. I'm expecting potentially 25k could be on the cards, and if not, potentially beyond that, 28k. That could be a potential scenario. I don't want to get too bullish, but I still think it's a bear market rally, but we can expect sometimes things to go higher than expected. So just be wary of that. And obviously if Bitcoin goes up like it did the other day, so Bitcoin pushed up here, it consolidated now, and then yesterday some altcoins ran like Metis. If you look at that chart there, we'll just have a bit of a zoom in on Metis. That pumped yesterday around 25%, and it looked good. It has a little bit of pullback now because Bitcoin's had a little bit of a pullback too. But whenever big things like that happen, you get the big caps go first, so you get Bitcoin and Ethereum push up. Other altcoins do follow it, the higher caps, but not instantly. The few days after, the altcoins start to rally, and it's not a major high cap Metis. You'd say it's a mid cap, and that did a really good push up yesterday. So just while we're on the point of Metis, we've covered Bitcoin, mate. I mean, look, BTC, you need to break this level here, or we're going to go up to 25k, 26 and 28. That's my levels. If we reject, then you're going to look at 18, 19, and potentially 20k. But that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Jumping back to Metis. Obviously, we've had a push up now. For me, I don't think it's anywhere near profit-taking levels yet. My average buying is actually, I'm here now, I'm back in the green. For some time I was buying at $19 back here, and then went into green, come back down, started to average buying, and then I bought some down here and up here. So I bought a mixture of bags, but my average price is $24, and I'm now above water, and I'm looking to start taking some profit. I will start at around this region here at $30, and then a big profit level up here will be around a 2x, and that's up at what's that? $48, $49. I think I'll be taking a substantial amount of profit there. I won't be selling my entire bags, but I'll be selling a good probably 50%. Depends what goes on over the course of the next few months. Depends what goes on with the dollar, the Dixie. If you look at that, that's consolidating around here. That still could push up back up and reclaim 102 and 105. If that did happen ultimately, well, previously, we have followed the VIX, well, followed SPX, haven't we? Whenever the S&P 500 is doing well, we're doing well, vice versa. When the VIX is doing bad, we're doing well in terms of Bitcoin, and the crypto markets pumps along with it. Who knows what goes on? But for me, I've just put this on the charts. I think, ignore the timeline, but I think there's a good chance that, like I say, we pump higher than expected, we push up to now 60, 70, $80 on Metis, and then we get a slam back down, and we could even do something like this. We could be in a range-bound price action here for a while, for the remainder of the year before 2024, and then push on. That is a potential scenario. The scenario you need to look at is the scenario now. Start to take profit when the profit levels come. So look at there at $30 and $48. There's some big levels I will be personally targeting. If it goes beyond that, then I'm going to keep a moon bag, potentially 20-30% of my bag to ride on up there. But profit is king. If you're in this market from a previous cycle and you're down bad, take that as a lesson to start taking profits on the way up, because we are pushing up now, especially with Metis. Elrond is another asset I'm looking at. We're coming up to a level of resistance here at 45.42. If we flip that, I really think we're going to get a nice push up towards around $65 to $67. You've got that area of trading with there, which you could say, if we look at this region here, this was a range-bound price action for quite a while, support and resistance like mad. And if we did push up into this area, we broke through 45, then you're going to look at profit at 56 on that way up. Beyond that, if we do a pullback, then this is a region here, a level of support at $39, $40. It's an area I would buy again. I bought some down here, and then I bought some up here. My average is around 54 on this, so again I was down underwater. Getting back up towards that level now, so around once we're up to 54, things will start to look a little bit better for me. Polkadot, another asset which has broken out of that downtrend, the long-term downtrend. I mean, the downtrend has been pretty much from the all-time highs up there, but if you're looking at this move here, we've had a breakout on the lower spectrum of this drop here. It's still not done a big move. I said to somebody else, look, this could easily push up to $10 without you knowing, because the move it has made has been gradual. I know we've done a decent move from the lows. Look at that. We've done a 60% move from them lows. But when the market starts pumping from here, you're going to expect a bang, a big 60% move. And that's what I'm looking for on Polkadot. I unstaked 50% of my bag in December, so that's now ready to sell. I've unstaked 50%, the remainder of my bag 2 days ago, so I'll be looking to take some more profit. But I won't be selling it all again, keeping moon bags, but I'm going to be taking a lot of profit off, because I still think this is a bear market rally. It could be the start of a bull market, but we could still be in that bear market cycle until people realise it's not. So I mean, for me, I'm taking profit on my way up. I still think that we will get a correction at some stage, whether that's here or whether that's up here. We will get a correction at some point, so just be wary of that. Take profit when you can. But that's it for today. Just some quick thoughts on the market. We covered Bitcoin. We covered, what else did we cover? We covered Metis, Elrond, and finished off with Polkadot. Like I say, if you want me to cover any assets, drop in the comments below. Try and cover as many as you like. If you're looking to do any trading, check out BitGet. There's a link in the description. It is no KYC. That's a good thing in crypto. I've been using it for about a year. It's great. At some points, we have 0% fees on spot trading. Another great feature when that's coming available, because basically you're doing trading for free as long as you're in profit. But yeah, check BitGet out. I think there's some up to like $4,000 or $5,000 worth in sign-up bonuses if you do certain tasks. You won't be able to get more because some of them are ridiculous, but you can get a decent amount of them. But that's it for today. If you're new here, make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.